Now this is something you don't see every day. This isn't a fifth wheel, it's a Class A motorhome with a garage. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play.
That's got a nice garage in the back of it. I don't think I've ever seen that.
Got a garage?
Yeah, Class A with a toy hauler.
Oh.
Closing it up right now.
Kind is that?
I don't know.
Ask them. This is a Canyon Star 3927FD by Newmar. And yes, that FD means front diesel. Let's check it out. Dave, tell us the story of how we came across this RV, this motorhome.
Just driving around in the campground, and we saw Steve open and close the rear end of this thing. We said, hey, look at that.
Class A with the toy hauler.
We started talking to him and all that, and said, okay, we'll get back. I'd like to see it. And he said, come back later, and we did. But when we left, we said, oh, how are we going to find out where they're at? And then so we'll find it. We'll just drive around and we'll find it. So we pull in, we drove down our street, pulled into our site, and looked up, and ain't going to be hard to find. They're right next to us.
Kathy or Steve, our neighbors.
Yeah, our neighbors, yeah.
And they were willing to give us a tour of their Class A motorhome with a
Garage.
Garage.
the garage.
Toy hauler.
Front-engine diesel.
It's a front-engine diesel. It's a 2022. Newmar makes it, and it's a Canyon Star. We've had it with the original owners. We went and did a factory pickup.
How long is it?
40 feet.
40 feet. And horsepower?
340.
Okay.
And tons of torque.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That's
so
With a diesel, yeah.
yeah. And it's a front engine.
What do you got? Transmission? What kind of Allison?
Allison. I think it's an Allison.
So what you got up here? So you got your chair spin around.
Yeah. My.
Dueling TVs.
So it's
Dashboard.
the dashboard. It's got the radio and then the dash cam. Obviously, the normal stuff. Our levelers are to the left. The wire that's hanging out is for his phone, so we can hook it up to the radio. The Bluetooth doesn't work really great. It's easier to do wired.
What's down in here?
That's the engine under between that cover there and then what we're standing on. That's how you get to the transmission and the engine.
And then you got more storage up here instead of
Yes.
having a bed
Right.
bunk.
So there could have been a
Table
TV
clear
here,
Yeah.
but then there's a TV over the dinette.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And we went for more cabinets. And then the dinette, and of course there's the drawers pull out. And then TV.
Our soda drawer.
Yep.
Water.
And more storage.
Yeah. This is our electronics, another electronics. We keep our hotspot, and there's lots of outlets in here, so we like that. So this is a sleep sofa, and then this can be dropped for a bed. So this is really special for me, this one here. When you order it to be built from Newmar, you can send a picture, and they put the picture with your rig, and as it goes down the assembly line, anybody who works on it can sign it if they choose to. So these are some of the people who built our coach.
Oh, nice.
Here is our pantry. So it's kind of a small but mighty.
Oh, yeah.
Change that on the next model.
Yeah, it's deep in
So
this
it's
room.
not
Yeah.
an angle. 'Cause you lose
Wow.
it.
Yeah.
That's
Storage
pretty
space.
good.
Yeah. Behind you is our kitchen. And this is a convection microwave. And then a residential fridge.
Yep.
You could have put a dishwasher in, but I didn't want to lose the drawers.
Oh, man.
Same here.
I miss our dishwasher.
I do too, but you know what? You need the storage.
We
Yeah.
need the storage.
Yeah, and then this cabinet is kind of cool because it opens both
Both
Oh, yeah.
ways.
So you can get something from the
So-
back without
yes.
pulling everything out.
So you got storage up here.
Storage up
All
here.
the
There's
storage
a
down here.
tiny drawer down there.
Oh,
And there's just enough room to get into the bathroom.
okay.
Turn the light on for you.
Back?
The size of
Yeah.
the sink
You
is
get water
perfect.
all over it.
Oh.
Yeah. But I love the corner showers.
Yep.
It's a nice spacious
Think you got-
shower. I'm
got more
5'9".
Yeah.
I don't hit my head. I don't bang my elbows.
I think it's bigger than ours.
And then back here's our bedroom.
Oh, you got a lot more room than we do.
So you
Look
get
at this,
in.
Dave.
and storage,
Oh, yeah.
and then under bed storage,
Oh,
and then
we don't have any underbed storage. That's where all the tanks and stuff are.
and then behind you is the closet,
Mm-hmm.
and then yet another TV, and then this is the fun part.
Yeah, now
This
we
is
get to
the
go in the
exciting part.
garage.
Yeah.
This is the garage.
Drum roll,
I'm good
please.
at Tetris.
It is very tight in here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you
Sit on the bed.
So
Oh.
these are bunks,
Mm-hmm.
but this can slide down and become seating, and we have a table that you can put in. Then you have the bunk up here. Obviously, we're storing our kayaks up above.
Well, you guys needed the garage.
His motorcycle. Our bicycles
How
will go
deep is it?
here.
10 feet.
Oh, zippy
And then
fit
we
in there.
all the
That little
miscellaneous
car.
stuff, and then
Oh,
we're
yeah,
leaning
well-
on the toolbox.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
gonna have
Yeah.
you step closer to me
Mm-hmm.
and close that door.
Damage it could
Leave them inside. Leave the men in there.
It's
Mm.
like it's
And then this cabinet is our washer dryer.
Oh,
Yeah.
Pull hard.
sure enough.
And then up above is another storage.
No, that's pretty light.
That's nice.
What are you doing? Pushing it out?
Yep. And then there's storage up here.
And another TV.
And another TV and storage here. This radio has speakers outside, which is nice.
There you
We had
go.
room for the
looked at
toolbox.
that and
It
I'm
does take up a little door space, but you know,
Yeah.
whatever. Yeah.
Color scheme's pretty.
Yeah. I think it's beautiful. And it's filthy right now.
It is.
I know it's hard to keep them clean.
This is the fun part.
Yeah.
You reach up here. Where'd it go? And pull this lever down.
And away it goes.
This comes down. And that flips out.
That is slick.
That's what we needed.
And sometimes he'll angle it, like if he's putting something heavy in,
Yeah.
he'll play with the jacks and
You can
unlevel it.
drop it.
Yeah, drop the tail down.
Yep.
Yep.
10 foot, huh?
10 foot.
And that's what, about 7.5 across?
I don't know. I've never
8.
measured it.
Yeah, 7.5 probably.
Probably on the inside,
So
yeah.
I think outside to outside is like
Now,
8 feet.
I think that the newest one, the current model, has a full slide, so the bedroom would also be part of your slide, so you'd have a little bit more room at the foot. And I believe that the current model, you can make this into a deck, so you could have a party deck. So if you wanted to sit outside and the ground was wet or
Yeah.
the view was better. With this one, it has a slope on it, so you can't do it. But I,
Which that'd be perfect for the car.
Yeah.
You wouldn't bottom out going through
Yeah,
it.
you went going over the crown, you wouldn't, tear it out.
and we did upgrade the air conditioner in here, so it's an air conditioner and a heat pump. When we did that upgrade, we did the fridge upgrade, then upgraded our generator to a bigger generator. So electrical, if you had a fuel,
Those have a gas tank.
gas tank,
Yeah.
storage,
I keep wondering if I can put diesel in that.
fuel,
In the fuel tank?
Yeah, in that one.
hose
Why
container.
not?
That's what I would think.
This is our water bay.
10 foot gas
Mm-hmm.
without somehow cleaning it off.
Yeah, you might have to rinse it out.
I'll say when we do our last,
Storage.
it'd be nice to have that.
That's also where you would winterize it.
Oh,
Excuse
okay.
me.
See, everybody gets
What's your
More storage. You can tell we
That's
haven't.
not full yet.
It's not full yet. More storage. Now, this, and that one are all
Okay.
one long
Oh, okay.
one, but with different doors.
Yeah.
This is the generator.
Oh, yeah, and only 8,000. Yep.
Yeah.
Nice big one.
This is the battery. Oops. And weirdly enough, it's also where you put in def.
Oh, is that right?
So
oh,
you
yeah.
have to do def first, pull forward, and then do your fuel.
Well, that's a little different, huh?
Yeah. has hot water on demand. Aqua hot.
Yeah, I like these covers that you have because you can see out, but people can't see in.
And we went with the darker ones.
So there's
yeah,
your
you can
front
see out,
engine
you can
diesel.
see in, it gives us some privacy. So then on this side, propane, another TV, and where we store our Blackstone.
Uh-huh.
And from what I understand, they don't do the outside TV anymore.
Oh, okay.
Who uses it?
I suppose if you pay for it, you can get it.
I suppose, yeah. That's our freshwater tank. This is where we keep all of our outdoor rugs and, you know, the stuff. This is where we keep our wheels for our kayaks. So if you ever wanted your walking distance, but you don't want to carry your kayak, you can roll them, and our Starlink. And then 2 more, and we'll have completed the round. Fluids and tow bars and stuff.
Nice. So you're loving this.
I love it. Absolutely love it.
It's got LP.
LP.
But we also have the heat pump
Well,
Yeah.
down to 40,
45.
All right.
and then the
It's like
LP.
I've been clicking it on here the last couple nights.
Oh yeah, we've been running the heat pumps.
And then we have an auto gen start,
Yeah,
which
we
is
got that.
which is wonderful. If
Never
you don't,
used it yet.
Oh, we were boondocking at a motorcycle race, and it was 100 degrees, and we just turned it on and forgot about it.
Yeah.
And it would just come off and on as needed. We were there for a week. We didn't stress about the dog being in there with no air, you know, the air conditioner and the dog just worked.
And it wasn't the usual start it and let it run for a week straight.
Right.
No, it
It
shut
only
down.
did it when
Right.
it was time.
So that's a look at the Canyon Star 3927 FD, a front engine diesel Class A with a built-in garage. Newmar only built a limited number of these, which makes them even harder to spot today. It's not a common setup, but it's a smart design for the right kind of traveler. Big thanks to Kathy and Steve for letting us take a closer look. We love it when RV life leads to unexpected tours like this. If this is something you'd consider owning, tell us what you'd haul in that garage. Thanks for rolling with Watts on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing ya. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something, and have a beer.